my name is Chelsea Hawks, and I wanted to be talking today about my goal to become a health psychologist. As a health psychologist, I want to focus on helping people have a better way of life. And originally, when I decided to go into psychology, it was because I felt like I related really well to people, and that I was capable of being understanding of their emotional health, as I had struggled with that in the past, and then still, figuring out how to best overcome it. So that's the reason that I started investing in psychology. I also felt that it would be a wonderful way to have purpose and to help other people feel hope and an understanding of who they are and how they can live a better quality of life. I also think it would be interesting to look into social work and to help families be able to function more properly and to have that quality of life that is positive as well. In regards to classes that I'll need to take for psychology, there's quite a few that health psychologists are asked to take. So in regards to classes, general psychology, career development, research methods, history and systems of psychology, developmental psychology lifespan, social psychology, cognition, experience research, a biology class, a nutrition class, an abnormal psychology class, a health psychology class, and then an array of other classes, and one more psychology class. It's behavioral neurobiology, and many of those classes also are considered part of a minor that I would receive in psychology. And they include developmental psychology lifespan, psychology of effective living, research methods, cultural psychology, adult development, personality, abnormal psychology, social psychology, industrial organizational psychology, principle of behavioral learning, psychology of emotion and motivation, sensation and perception, cognition, psychological assessment, psychology of performance and enterprise, and behavioral neurobiology. So as you can see in the list, it's a bit more of all of the fields. So there's another group of classes that you can choose from to minor in. I think it'd be interesting to study abnormal psychology as a minor. I think that's really incredible to see what could have happened to cause those illnesses, and what parts of it are cultural and environmental. It's very intriguing to me. And I plan to graduate from BYU Idaho with a bachelor's degree in psychology in the year of 2022. And I also have a desire to internship before I graduate at a facility in Rexburg. I think that it would be best to start off as a receptionist and just kind of see how the business would function and start to be an environment where mental health is talked about. I think it'd be interesting also to sit in, if it is possible, on a therapy session and receive some kind of understanding of how the process works from a therapy point of view. Anyway, so that's just kind of a background of what my goals are for psychology and how I want to accomplish this. And I also just feel that it's going to be very important these next few years to really focus on internships and to possibly even work at some rehabilitation centers and behavioral treatment centers. I think that'd be very interesting with abnormal psychology. Well, thank you for listening to me and taking the time to do so.